A surge card application denial does not always mean you cannot get approved later, but the reason for the denial determines what you should fix before applying again. By the end, you'll know the common reasons a surge card application can be denied, and the steps to improve your chances on a future application. The first thing to check is the information you entered during the application. Errors in your name, address, income details, or other personal information can create problems during the review process. Review every detail and make sure your application matches your current records. Another reason for denial can be your credit profile. Credit card issuers review information such as your credit history, existing accounts, and overall financial situation when making approval decisions. A denial may mean your current profile does not meet the issuer's approval requirements. If you receive a denial, check the notice from the card issuer. Credit card companies generally provide information explaining why an application was not approved. That reason gives you a clearer idea of what needs attention. If the issue is related to your credit report, review your credit information for mistakes or outdated details. Incorrect information on a credit report can affect financial decisions, so correcting errors may help future applications. Avoid applying for multiple credit cards immediately after a denial. Each application can create additional activity on your credit profile, and applying repeatedly without fixing the original issue may not improve your chances. If you want to apply again later, focus on improving the areas connected to the denial reason. Keep your personal information updated, manage existing accounts responsibly, and make sure your financial records are accurate. You can also contact Surge Card customer support if you need more information about your application decision. Getting the specific reason for the denial is more useful than guessing what went wrong. The main points are: check the denial reason, correct inaccurate information, and avoid submitting new applications until you understand what needs to change. Your next step is to review your denial notice and identify the exact issue before deciding whether to apply again. If this guide helped you understand why a surge card application can be denied, subscribe for more clear explanations about credit cards and financial apps.